What's up everyone, you are watching Team Level's channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix couldn't make or receive call from Facebook Messenger app on iPhone or iOS. So let's start off video without wasting any time. So to fix the issue, first of all you just need to make sure that Facebook and Messenger turned on under mobile data. So if you are making calls using cellular data, FB and Messenger should be turned on under cellular data. So to check this, first of all you just need to go to settings. Now just tap on cellular. And here just scroll down and make sure that Facebook and Messenger are turned on. If they are turned off, turn them on. After that, solution 2 we have is enable and disable airplane mode. So first of all just go to control panel or control center on your iPhone and then turn on airplane mode. Once turned on, wait for 30 seconds and turn it off back. Now solution 3 we have is use Wi-Fi. Simply just switch on your Wi-Fi and use it for Facebook or Messenger call for some time, then you may use cellular data. Now solution 4 we have is restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, first of all you just need to go to settings and now scroll down and tap on general, and now again scroll down and tap on shutdown. Now just slide the power off slider and wait for a few seconds and turn it on back. Now solution 5 we have is update Facebook or Messenger. So to update Facebook or Messenger, first of all you just need to go to App Store on your iPhone, and here select today tab at bottom, then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now if update is available of Facebook and Messenger, then just update them. After that, second last solution we have is reset network settings. Resetting the network settings, reset your Wi-Fi network and passcode, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. So to do this, first of all you just need to go to settings and now tap on general and simply scroll down and then tap on reset. And now just tap on reset network settings. Now just enter your passcode and in the pop-up window tap on reset network settings to confirm this process. So now the last solution we have is change your cellular data number. So to change cellular data number, first of all you just need to go to settings. Now tap on cellular or mobile data. Here tap on cellular data. Now tap on number you want to change and then delete Facebook or Messenger and reinstall them. So that's all for this video, and if your issue is fixed, just don't forget to like and subscribe to Team WS channel. Thank you for watching.